Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the phone is ready. Charge above 20% and unlock it. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Home Screen and Lock Screen so you don't waste time. Next, find Navigation buttons or Gesture Navigation. This is where the home button behavior is controlled. You're beginning the change now, so tap that entry and pause on the available navigation modes to compare them before switching. This avoids accidental resets or losing navigation familiarity. Tap Gesture Navigation to replace the on-screen Home button. This is the core step. Read the on-screen gesture tips so you understand how to go home, access recent apps, and go back. Make sure to enable gestures immediately. If gestures feel finicky, adjust sensitivity or back gesture settings in the same menu to prevent accidental triggers. Once gestures are active, practice the basic swipes. This confirms the home button is effectively off, and you know how to navigate smoothly. Finish by testing all navigation flows. Swipe up to home, swipe and hold for recent apps, and edge swipes for back. If gestures don't respond, restart the phone first. That often resolves temporary glitches. Make sure Color OS is updated, and if problems persist, reset navigation to default or try safe mode to check for conflicting apps. If a third-party launcher or accessibility service blocks gestures, disable it and retest. This pinpoints the cause and gets your home button behavior correctly turned off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.